Hey, what's up guys, SickBricks here with another video for you all, and this time we have a MOC. As you can see, it's a Domino's pizza. I think it looks really nice. We've got the stone column here, the Domino's logo here, downstairs eating area with awning, and this upstairs area. As you can see, it's also a corner building, so we can turn this around. You can get a good look at that side. Just a couple of windows and the door in the upper story. And over here, if we turn around another time, we have the trash cans, a ladder, and this is supposed to be a delivery car. Let's go. Oh, yes. And you can actually take this off if you want, just to go side by side with another building. Let's turn this around again. And let's get a look at the inside. First, let's go ahead and just pop this roof off. You can easily pop it off. Take my phone off my tripod. So, looking in, you can see it's just a little office space. And that's pretty much it. But over here on the roof, you have HVAC system or vents. I don't know what to call those. I'm not an expert in things like that. A little pipe and a ladder that allows you to get to that portion of the roof. Let's look at the inner story. So let me put my phone back on my tripod so I can set it up. Get a nice view there. And just pop this off like that. Once again, sorry about the inconvenience, but taking it off my tripod. And inside, you can see the pizza oven, a soda machine, and those are supposed to represent lids and cups. Here's just a counter and a cash register. There's an employee, and over here, just the windows, some tables, and that's supposed to represent the stand with a bunch of chips on it. Outside, just another quick look, 2 tables, a nice window, this guy's eating some pizza, here's some flowers, some storm drains, and a fire hydrant. And that's pretty much it for the inside. Put this back on and give you a final look. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep bricking.